Hey guys! Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you an everyday makeup look. This will be featuring mineral air. So before I get into starting my makeup, I want to talk about mineral air. So they sent it to me in this packaging and the instructions were very easy to follow along. First I charged it for a couple of hours. Then you just take some of the renewal serum and open this. And you'll see that there's a line here and you don't want to go over that. So you just take the renewal serum and we'll put some in here and make sure that we don't go over the line. I'm gonna put a little bit in because I don't want to put too much. So now we're gonna put the cap back up. Mineral air is very versatile. You can use it before you put your makeup on, after you put your makeup on. You can use it after you take your makeup off just to hydrate your skin. There's a few key ingredients in here that I love and I use on a daily basis. The first is aloe vera. So this will especially be helpful that now that the summer's coming up and you want to make sure that your skin is nice and glowy, and aloe vera definitely helps you just get that natural glow. And the second is Swiss apple stem cell. And these are natural stem cells that help support firmness and tightness in your skin. So you'll see how I use this. I'll actually apply it before I put my makeup on and then after as well, just to make sure my skin is nice and hydrated throughout the day. It's also recommended to hold the device 2 to 3 inches away from your face. Even when I'm applying my makeup, that I don't really like to touch my face, so that's something that I really like about mineral air is that it's touchless. I'm going to start off by applying some mineral air. All right. Oh wow. I'm going to put a little bit on my neck as well. It just feels so soft. It feels so fancy doing this, guys. Foundation, I like to use a tinted moisturizer instead of foundation. I know I always preach about this on Instagram and in my stories, but I just feel like when you wear foundation, it can just clog your pores even more than one would want to. So I really am just a huge fan of tinted moisturizer. A lot like on TikTok and other social platforms, like the new beauty trend for using your concealer. So I'm just gonna go back again and work with the, what do you call this? Like, where's this section again? It's time to bake now. Okay, so after I put my tinted moisturizer on and my concealer under my eyes, I'm going to bake. Let's put some powder just to set everything. Especially under my eyes. I like to use powder because I hate getting creases with the concealer. So definitely make sure I keep under there. Now that we're done baking, it is time to fix these eyebrows. So I like to start just by brushing them up. And really, for me, I don't want to sound like conceited. I don't want to sound, but I do get a lot of compliments on my eyebrows. For me, I would say just go with your natural like shape. Go with your natural shape. Don't try to do anything crazy. I see that often. People try to make all these crazy shapes and just, no. Go with your natural line. Even if you have a thinner eyebrow, just work with that instead of trying to create something that's just overlined and it just looks bad and it looks like someone penciled in an eyebrow. And really the trick is with coloring or filling in your eyebrows is to make it look natural and to make it look like you really even used a pencil. So here we go. So now that my eyebrows are together, we are going to move on to some eyeshadow. The first thing that I like to do is prime my eyes. If you're not priming, you are missing out on your eyeshadow lasting all night. And honestly, with any primer, you'll find that a little goes a long way. So just get a little bit on there and you'll be good to go. And blend it in. When it comes to doing like an everyday look, you want to work with some lighter neutral tones for your eyeshadows. So I like to use like browns, whites, very simple colors. So the first color that I'm gonna work with for my eyebrow bone is just like a nice neutral off-white shade. So you're gonna take that off-white shade and just apply it to your brow bone and give it a little bit of a pop. And make sure to blend too. You see how I put a little bit too much at first? You really just want to blend it out and you'll be good to go. Okay, so the next color that we're gonna use is just like a warm brown shade. And see how much time I take blending? This is really gonna make a difference in how your eyeshadow comes out. You wanna take the time to blend your eyeshadow. It looks so much better when you blend. And this can even take a few minutes, but trust me, it's worth it. Ooh, I haven't done my eyeshadow in so long! Like, who is this? Okay, so it looks pretty even on both sides in the crease. So now we are going to take this. So I know that we mentioned with the eyebrow bone we used an off-white. So now you want to take a color that's more of a beige. So I'll show you in my palette. Beige type color. Okay. I'm gonna put that on the lid. So now that my eyeshadow is ready, we are going to highlight those eyes. I really like lining. I just feel like it makes my eyes pop. For me, I usually don't wing my eye. I feel like my eye shape is like, it's too round, so for me it just looks weird whenever I try to do a wing. So I'm gonna line my eyes very lightly. Now that my eyes are lined, now that we've applied the eyeliner, I'm going to put some mascara on, but first I like to curl my lashes because it makes such a difference. It really does, and you'll see. Start with the top lashes first. So I'm just gonna go like this. Clamp, clamp, clamp. Just hold it for a good like 5 seconds. I look like an owl when I do my mascara. We're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so now I am just finishing up applying to my lower lashes. So now that I've applied my mascara, this is literally my favorite part. I love putting blush on. Whenever I see my friends, they're really like, Gabby, you did too much with the blush, but I love putting blush on. This is literally my favorite part. I just feel like blush highlights your face. I'm not putting too much on. Here I am trying to be cute. I'm not even paying attention. Oh, blush that I use is a loose powder blush, so sometimes this can happen, but again, if you just blend, 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 all will be well. Okay, so now I'm done with my blush, so I'm going to apply some lip color. I do line my lips a little bit, but as most of you know, I do have a little bit of lip filler, and I don't like my lips to look like too crazy big. Set my makeup. Okay, so here is the final look. This is just like an everyday soft glam look for work, going out during the day. questions about Mineral Air, feel free to leave a comment. I really liked using this. It feels really soft on my skin. It's touchless. It's really nice just to set your makeup and not too much product. Like I didn't feel like it was heavy on my face, if that makes sense. So thank you for watching.